Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Behind me we have our very special Mercedes Sprinter, fully customized by Klassen. And in this video I will show you why it is worth more than 400,000 US dollars. And it is special not only because it is fully customized, but also because this is a short wheelbase. Very high ceiling, and the first one I have seen in my life. So interior wise we have our beige interior with 7 seats and all new gadgets, fully electric. Later on we will have a look also at the so-called panoramic roof, but in lights. Plus that you can adjust the seats the way you desire with the rows over here. First of all, let's admire the exterior, because this is indeed a very large Sprinter but short wheelbase, as I mentioned. This right here is a Sprinter, which is the long wheelbase, how we know it. Very high ceiling, apartment level Mercedes Sprinter. There are 2 television screens in here, one in front of me and the other one all the way in the end, where the 3rd row seats are available. Each seat has an iPad special optimized for the passenger. Let me close the door on the left side and I will take a seat all the way in the front, because behind me the driver is located. You have a center console part which is very wide. A fridge button, so if you press it, the fridge will actually appear from underneath. This is just amazing. You can set the temperature. And on the top there is storage area with device like an Apple controller. Let me press the button to open. And the ceiling is definitely almost 6 feet long. Extremely long, more than 6.5 meters. That's why you have the warning lights. But this one is a special Sprinter by Klassen. On the back we have a camera which works perfectly fine. It shows you everything you need to see behind you. And let's have a glimpse at these quattro exhaust tips. And of course the trunk area. And there we have a sneak peek of the interior. Also beige leather, storage space net and very high ceiling. So let's get on top of this beautiful interior from close by. There are 7 seats in total. You can already see the driver area. The camera is currently active. Amazing special design seats. So let's get out of here. I will close the door. And we will check out the interior. There's a 32-inch television screen with amazing wood surrounding it. And yes, you have your IWC clock, which we know from Mercedes-Benz. Furthermore, a special gadget over here. With this device you can fully control everything in the vehicle. Volume, the aux cable, you have a small navigation screen over here, which actually works with a touchscreen. Plus you can control the MAYBACH colors of the ceiling. If you press the home button you can see the sidewall colors. Pillars, the sidebar, or the floor. So this is the Apple TV, so you can control everything you want to see on the screen. Plus it has the V-class air vent. Amazing. So let's take a seat over here. This part is actually a table that you can fold out. Of course, the positioning is not right. It should be more to the center. So you can just remove this part. Shove it forward, and there. It is actually useful. Amazing. So basically enough space for a full team of colleagues. Or you can go with family, of course. This already indicates it has the foot extension, so you can lay all the way down and basically also connect this part with the seat in front. So you can make a bed out of it. There's the curtains, which is manual, hence this leather. These are the pillars with the lights that you can also turn off with the button right here. And the colors are changeable also with this control system. It has special, very broad seats, Klassen design, just amazing quality with the leather. This you can adjust to the size of your head, but still there's a lot of space left. You can basically put your face to it and sleep. Amazing. 3 more seats all the way in the back, including USB connectivity slots, seat belts of course. There's also this part that you can open, GLC. Special air vent control system in the back. So let's have a look at the driver's area, because this is basically connected to the VIP area. There is no partition wall, and that's why we can also expect the same quality level. Full and bright leather. Also the steering wheel is just amazing with wood on the top, white Napa leather, and also this beige color. Because it has the newest MBUX system for this model. Plus you have a huge fridge, so you can hand over cold water to your colleagues with nice cup holders. To activate the car, you just have to push your foot on the brake and start by pressing the button. Amazing. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with this Sprinter by Klassen in a short wheelbase version, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.